I think RC is black. He's really being close with black. Bottom version.
Creepy.
Huh?
Creepy.
Maybe that's me. You tell me it's a tree. I've had sex one time birds before, and I'm like, no, it ain't a tree. I didn't even freak out.